Hey guys, RTC back here for another video, guys. Today, we're going to be talking about the Galaxy Fold 3. What to expect from it, spec-wise, release date, all that kind of good stuff, guys. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Starting off right away, this is the design of the Galaxy Fold 3. This was leaked by Evan Blass, who is a very good leaker, credible leaker. He does go ahead and release a lot of things early. And this is what it would look like. Now, if you're saying this looks almost identical to the Galaxy, to the Fold 2, you are absolutely correct, because that's literally what it, almost identically what it is. The only differences cosmetically on this device from the Galaxy Fold 2 is a bigger front display, and that is pretty much it for the actual aspects of the chassis. Everything else is internally, everything else is created as we're going to talk about in a second. So first off, the release date of this item will go ahead and most likely be August 20th through 27th. We will see this announced on August 11th alongside the Flip 3, the S21 Fan Edition, the new Galaxy watches, and finally the new Galaxy earbuds. So we'll see them all released, all announced on that day, and then most likely this will be released on the 20th to 27th, barring no, setbacks or stuff like that. The actual price for this Galaxy Fold 3 will go ahead and come in at a price tag of $17.99 for the 256 gigabyte model, and for the 512 gigabyte model, we can see the price tag being around $2,000. So again, kind of in that upper echelon of pricing. If we look at it compared to the other affordable phones on the market, we're going to see the Surface Duo 2 coming at a price tag of $1,100 and $1,300 respectively. We also will see the Galaxy Flip 3 come in at the price tag of around $999.99. So this is considered the premium of the foldable phones. So if you are trying to go for the foldable phones premium, that is something you will see with the Galaxy Fold 3. Now, one thing we do know about the Galaxy Fold 3 is it will go ahead and have S Pen support. The biggest issue and the biggest knock on this device with the Galaxy Fold 2 was the screen durability. Is it going to be durable enough to last a very long time for you to spend all that money and actually have your investment pay back by utilizing the phone for a long time? And that's something a lot of people kind of went back and forth with. Well, with the new Galaxy Fold 3, we do not have to worry about that anymore. The screen is now very durable. It actually does support S Pen, so it can go ahead and be written on by an S Pen, which anything you use an S Pen, if you guys ever use one, you are kind of digging into the screen when you're using an S Pen, so that means this screen is durable enough to support that. Another thing we saw recently was that this phone and the Galaxy Flip 3 will go ahead and be water resistant. Now, it does not mean waterproof. That's a very big thing. It will have an IP rating, but it will not be waterproof. Water resistant. Now, it is not dust resistance. It is just water resistant. So that is interesting. That is definitely a big feature added to this phone, and kind of excited because, again, like I said, we don't know the IP rating at the moment, but this does mean if you take it out in the rain, you probably will not be breaking this phone if it's out in the rain. And that's a big deal, because that's something that I know this phone and the Surface Duo, a lot of people are really going crazy saying, we got to baby these devices. You can't bring them out in the rain. You can't take it out in day-to-day life because of the fact that, again, it is not water resistant. But it is going to be water resistant with the Galaxy Fold 3, which is actually very, very exciting. Other than that, this phone is going to be very, very much the same as the predecessor, the Galaxy Fold 2. It might have an updated processor, probably the same exact gigabytes of RAM, nothing different there. The front display, like I said, will be bigger, but outside of that, camera improvements probably minimum, if anything. I did say before in another video, I think they probably will improve the actual specs of the camera when it comes to zoom functionality. I know something that, you compare this phone to the Galaxy Note S20 Note Ultra, or S20 Note Ultra, is that the biggest thing was the the Note had an amazing camera. While this phone, does have a good camera, but it doesn't have the zoom functionality of the Note series, and also not of the S21 that just came out, earlier this year. So I will definitely say I do expect to see somewhat of an improvement in that category, in that department, but not too much of an update, in all honesty. There is rumors that it's going to be a better battery, a bigger battery in this device, which I 100% am excited about. I think it definitely needs a bigger battery. When you are running dual screens like this, you need the biggest battery you can possibly get. Now, I personally am now daily driving the Surface Duo, and I have no issue at all with the Surface Duo with getting a whole day's worth of battery out of it, but I definitely understand the perspective of it could die on you. You want to have that bigger battery just to go ahead and make sure you have no issue. And again, if you are doing on this phone every single second, whether you are using it with Samsung docks or you are using it with just day-to-day life of watching YouTube videos, doing work, professional work, whatever the case, you want to have the biggest battery possible out of this device. And honestly speaking wise, it is going to be a great device. It's going to be a premium price because it is a premium product. And I will say, Samsung has done a really good job going from the Fold 1 to the Fold 2 and now the Fold 3. The Fold 1, the biggest issue was the outside screen was really non-usable. They fixed that with the Fold 2. The Fold 1's biggest issue was, hey, the screen is not durable. The Fold 2, they fixed that. Not completely, but they definitely increased the, durability of the Fold 2 screen. Fold 3, even more increase in durability. The outside screen now is a lot more durable. It's going to be a really, really great device. I will be picking this up the second it does come out. Some of these phones that do come out, I'm kind of hesitant right away to pick them up just because I'm like, I might want to wait to see the reviews of some of these products. But honestly speaking with that, I'm probably going to go and pick this up right away. But some noticeable things that we could see with this bad boy is, of course, 5G, which it was 5G at the last one. S Pen support, Bluetooth 5.1, Wi-Fi 6. IP rating, of course, we are going to see the One UI 3.5, and most likely will be shipping with Android 11. Now, we are on the cusp of Android 12. Based on what I'm saying. Wait. We're on the cusp of Android 11? Or cannot think, I'm drawing a blank right now. The Android 11 right now, this will be shipping with, and I think we are on the cusp of Android 12. So with that in mind, we're gonna see, honestly a much improved phone. And I say that with the fact that I don't think the Fold 2 was a bad phone. I think the Fold 2 was amazing. I think the only issue with the Fold 2 was the IP rating and probably the screen durability, and that was pretty much all I could see them having an issue with. So overall, guys, excited for this phone. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.